fenders.
Look at that. We got a happy girl.
Blue fenders.
Happy girl. Yay. Her new bike. We got the Nitro. So you like it?
Yeah.
You think we did right, did we? We got us a good one. Oh.
Shocks.
Yeah. Front
Big
shocks. Nice nifty light. The brakes are...
And blue fenders.
Yeah. And it's got hydraulic brakes. Nice, eh?
She's just got a pedal bike.
Poor thing. Sweet. Looking good, girl. Looking good.
I matching blue shirt on today.
Yeah. Well, here we are. Got the new Voltbike Nitro here. Obviously, it's a blue one. They also come in red and black. It says a 500 watt Bafang Rear Hub Motor. And it has a 17.5 amp hour, 48 volt lithium ion battery. Suspension, rear and front. Decent headlight. Has hydraulic brakes, as we can see. Hydraulic, which is always a good thing. And we have a headlight. 20-inch tires. 6-speed Shimano Aceras. And we're going to go for a ride shortly. Yeah, that's a pretty neat looking little bike. I like it. I really like it. Well, we're going to go for a ride.